Hi, boys and girls. So today we're continuing with how do we revise a narrative story that we have to make it better. And one of the ways you can do that is by adding dialogue. So this anchor chart is going to quickly and easily show you what that means. So we know that dialogue makes our writing stronger. So what is dialogue? Dialogue is when two or more people are talking to each other, like you and I, if you were talking back to me right now. However, we get to put it on paper and have dialogue in our story. So we're going to put quotation marks around what the character says and examples of this. The teacher said, "Let's get ready for recess." Notice that you always need a verb, and here you can always use this anchor chart for help. And then you put a comma, start quote, whatever the person is saying, and then a punctuation and end quote. And that's how you do dialogue.